everyone. I hope you're having a blessed, blissful day. I apologize I haven't been active for a while. I needed to focus on myself and have been trying to prioritize getting healthy and strong over the summer. Also, summer is brutal here in Arizona, so doing any kind of makeovers or any sort of projects is not ideal. We also spend summer as the time for family quality activities, hence why I haven't been quite active in making new contents. But now that summer is over, I am extremely excited to be back and can't wait to share new contents with you. I have missed you and so happy to be sharing today's video for our first fall decorate with me. I just love the fall season and everything that comes with it. The leaves changing colors, the cool weather it brings, as it is the perfect time to gather by the fireside roasting marshmallows or just simply enjoying a warm hot cocoa, snuggling in a cozy blanket. There's just so much beauty in the fall season, not to mention as it paves way to my most favorite time of the year, which is Christmas. In today's video, come and clean with me as I prepare to decorate our formal dining room for fall. I love to start by making sure that the area that I will be decorating is deep cleaned and refreshed before I start to decorate, and to simply start by polishing and cleaning the chandeliers as I move along and wiping the mirrors in this room, making it spick and span and ready for the next step to decorate. I also love to show you as I shop for decorations as if though you are with me on a shopping date. I love all the golds and warm color tones we will be using to decorate this dining room for today's video that will make any dining room space cozy and yet with a touch of glam. This quick part of the video is in collaboration with Shein. I have collaborated with Shein before shopping my bathroom essentials, and in today's video I have picked out some furniture pieces that are not only modern and cozy and made tough and durable but also affordable. This white LED side tables are a great new addition to our son's room and he loves it so much. Shein has so much variety of products to choose from on their website, from clothing accessories to home furnitures and other home essentials they provide. There are so much choices that you might not even know you needed, just like these side tables that comes in pairs. Our son has also been wanting a cozy lounge chair for a while now, and we found this perfect 4-piece set beanie bag chair on their site that is 6 feet in size. It is extremely comfortable. I did not want to get out of it. This 4-piece set beanie bag lounging chair comes with a fur rug, a neck pillow, and a blanket that zips into a pillow that I know we would also be utilizing as a perfect travel blanket on a long trip car ride or as a travel blanket on a cold plane ride, as it is extremely soft and the perfect small size to take along. I will provide the links and info in the description box below if you are also interested in these products. Thank you Shein for sponsoring today's video. Moving on to the fall decorating video, if you want to see how I've decorated this formal dining room for some extreme glam gold tablescape ideas, please continue watching this video till the end. Thank you for being here and I hope you enjoy this video and get ideas as I decorate our formal dining room for fall. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed this fall dining room decorate with me and tablescape video and was able to get ideas on how to also decorate your dining room for fall. Please share this video to your family and friends that could also use some ideas or inspirations to decorate for fall. I hope to see you on the next video. Have an amazing day or night. God bless you all. Bye!